Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with a spotlight on the best orange high socks available in the market. That's right, we're talking about the Ozone Design men's unisex mid-zone sock in the vibrant Ecurel color. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about style. These socks from Ozone Design are not just your average socks. They're a statement piece. The vibrant Ecurel color adds a pop of personality to any outfit, whether you're lounging at home or strutting your stuff on the streets. But style isn't the only thing these socks have going for them. Made with 80% cotton and 20% polyesteramide lycra, they're as comfortable as they are fashionable. The soft, sturdy fabric ensures a snug fit without sacrificing breathability. Now, let's talk about the features. These socks are designed to reach mid-calf, providing just the right amount of coverage. Plus, they're machine washable, so you can keep them looking fresh wear after wear. One thing I love about these socks is their stretchiness. Whether you have larger or smaller calves, these socks provide a comfortable fit without feeling too tight or too loose. Durability is key when it comes to socks, and these ones don't disappoint. Constructed with reinforced heels, toes, and seams, they're built to last. Plus, they're made in Colombia, known for its high-quality textile manufacturing. In summary, the Ozone Design men's unisex mid-zone sock in Ecurel is not just a sock. It's a fashion statement. With its vibrant color, comfortable fabric, and durable construction, it's the perfect addition to any wardrobe. So why wait? Grab yourself a pair today and step up your sock game. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting us know what products you'd like to see us review next. Until next time, happy shopping!